Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to start the new topic, daydreams. Okay, daydreams. Once there were lived a couple who spent a lot of time in idle talk. They were talking, just talking. They were doing nothing. One day, the husband said, "I have always wanted to keep cows." One day, husband said to his wife that I wanted to keep cows. If by chance I get some extra money from somewhere, I am going to buy a few cows. If I have get some extra money, I will buy some cows, few cows. But that means a lot of work. You have to feed the cows, walk them, bath them, milk them. Cows need a lot of looking after. One cow would be enough. There's no need to buy more cows, said the wife. The wife is saying to his husband that one cow is more enough. No need to buy more cows. But think of all the milk we will get if we buy more, said the husband. That's true, the wife agreed. There will be so much milk that we can even have plenty of dahi and butter and ghee. If we have more milk, we can make dahi, butter, and ghee also. Wouldn't it be lovely? How lucky that I have all these earthen pots kept aside. I will use one of the pots for milk, one for dahi, and one for butter. So I'm so lucky that I have the pots. So out of that pot, I'll use one pot for dahi, one for butter, and another for ghee. The ghee I will put in another jar, and I will use this remaining pot to send milk to my sister. So remaining pots, so I'll keep it for sending milk to my sister. Send milk to your sister. Who said you could send milk to your sister? Now Isabha is saying to her, who could tell you, or who could send milk to your sister? There will be plenty of milk. If we have so many cows, why shouldn't I send it to my sister? So the wife is saying to his husband that we have plenty of milk, so we are able to, we can send milk to my sister because we are going to sell it in the market. That's why. Husband is saying, no, we are selling it in the market. Okay. That's why I will decide what to do with all that milk, and not a drop of it goes to your sister, remember? So he's saying, no, I'll decide it. So what we have to do with the milk? I will decide it. Not a drop of it goes to your sister. Remember it. Keep it in mind. Okay. I will see how you can stop me from sending a pot full of milk to my dear sister. So wife is saying, who will stop me? I will send a pot of milk to my sister. I do all the hard work running after the cows. So naturally, I will decide what happens to the milk. Just try stopping me, the wife exclaimed. You just try to stop me. Okay, I will run after the cows. I will do the work. Okay, and you cannot stop me. Okay, so just try stopping me. The wife exclaimed. Rushed inside. When he heard what had happened, he picked up a stout stick that stood in a corner and began to swish it through the air and pound it on the floor. The husband and wife were both astounded to see his antics. "What are you doing?" they inquired. "Move aside," said Gopal Bhand. "I have to drive away your greedy cows. You have let them wander, and now they have ruined my field of beans and cucumbers." Now, see, "Is that so?" shouted the husband. "Watch this then." He began to lift and smash the earthen pots one by one. His wife began to scream. He began to lift the earthen pot and smash it, the husband. And his wife began to scream. She's screaming, "Don't do this, okay?" Gopal Bhan, who was passing by, Gopal Bhan, one man, Gopal Bhan, whose name is Gopal Bhan, who was passing by, heard all the commotion and rushed inside. He heard all the things what happened in what happened between husband and wife, and he just rushed inside. When he heard that what happened, he picked up a stout stick, a lathi, and stood in a corner and began to swish it through the air and pound it on the floor. The husband and wife were both astounded to see his antics. He's doing antics with the stick. So both husband and wife, they were astounded. They were astounded to see his antics. "What are you doing?" they inquired. Both husband and wife inquired, "What are you doing with the sticks?" But "Move aside," said Gopal. He's saying, "Just move aside. I have to drive away your greedy cows. Your cows are so greedy. I have to drive away them out. You have let them wander, and now they have ruined my field of beans and cucumbers. Your cows, they have ruined my field. They have destroyed my field of cucumbers and beans. And that's why I have taken this stick and I have to drive them, pull them out from my field. Oh, my lovely field of beans and cucumbers." "But you don't have a field of beans and cucumbers," said the husband. As soon as he said that, Gopal stopped wielding the sticks and looked at him and raised eyebrows. He's doing like this. He raised his eyebrows. The husband and wife understood what he was trying to tell them. Can you tell what he wanted to say? Can you tell what he wanted to say? So this is the daydreams. This is the topic, daydreams. Okay, both they were dreaming. Okay, now we have just summarized, we have done this topic. So what type of questions are there? Exercise: read the following words aloud and copy them in your notebook. What you have to read these words and copy them in your notebook. Now I am writing these words on the blackboard. Read it aloud and copy them in your notebook. Copy them in your notebook. Okay, now I am writing. The first word is idea. Second is enough. Third one is exclaimed. EXCLARMED. Exclaimed. Fourth is commotion. COMMOTL. Fifth is Sixth one is antics. Antics. Seventh, number 7, vendor. WANDER, vendor. And eighth one is well-being. So these are the 8 words. You have to read them aloud and write down in your copy. Okay. Yes. Now answer the following questions. First we will discuss these questions and then we'll go through it. What did the husband want to buy? What did the husband want to buy? The husband want to buy few cows. What did husband want to buy? Husband want to buy few cows. What plans did the wife make? What plans did the wife make? So, the wife means she is planning, she is making plans that if they buy cows, there will be so much milk that they can have plenty of dahi, butter and ghee. And how lucky she was that she have earthen pots kept aside. She have earthen pots also. Now she is making the plan. I will use one of the pot for the milk, one for the dahi, one for butter, the other for the ghee, and I will put in the ghee. I will put in another jar. I will use this remaining pot to send milk to my sister. So she is making this type of plans. Okay. What did the husband want to do with the extra milk? What did Again, I repeat the question. What did the husband want to do with the extra milk? The husband want to sell it in the market. Okay. Extra milk, the husband want to sell it in the market. What did Gopal Bhan say he was doing? What did Gopal Bhan say he was doing? Gopal Bhan said, I have to drive away your greedy cows. I have to drive away your greedy cows. You have let them wander and now they have ruined my field of beans and cucumber. What the cow does? They ruin the field of Gopal Bhan. Beans field and cucumber, all the field they have destroyed, ruined it. What did Gopal Bhan want to tell the husband and wife? What did Gopal Bhan want to tell the husband and wife? Yes, Gopal Bhan was trying to tell them that your cows have destroyed my field of beans and cucumber. What is the difference between dream and a daydream? So you can write all these question answers in your copy. Okay, we have discussed it, so you can write in your copy. Okay, what is the difference between dream and daydream? So you want to write the question answers, answer the following questions, okay, in your copy. So here we have finished our topic daydreams. Okay. Daydreams, we have finished this topic. So your homework is you have to read the text, read the topic, daydreams, and read these words, read these 8 words, write them in your copy, and write the question answers of the topic discussed. It we have discussed, we have already discussed it. You have to write down in your copy. Okay. Okay. Yes. So tomorrow we are going to start, in next minute we are going to start the next topic. Okay, right down. Okay, bye.